Hello and welcome to this quick demo on how to use the power of spatial analytics to guarantee access to care. When people are covered by a health insurance, they have an expectation that they will be able to access primary care doctors, specialists, and other healthcare services within a reasonable driving time and driving distance. Network adequacy refers to a health plan's ability to satisfy this need. Access to healthcare is essential. Better access to a network of providers means better health outcomes and higher satisfaction among members. In the case of access to primary care physicians, better access to care can also mean lower costs. For example, when members visit their PCPs to manage their chronic conditions, they might avoid costly emergency rooms visits. So ensuring network adequacy can be a win-to-win for everybody. In this demo, what we are seeing is in blue, all the members that are accessing different health insurance companies across Wisconsin. In yellow, we have our network of providers. Using ArcGIS and the power of where, we can calculate the driving times and distance of our current network. These lines, although they look to be straight lines, actually are calculating driving times and distances. This is possible because we have a complete street map network, and behind the scenes we are calculating those distances, even being able to use traffic information that allow us to predict specific timeframes where it will be optimal to do those calculations. Using this workflow, we can easily then identify where are our members that are outside the distance standard. So for example, what you are seeing in red are all those members that are outside a minimum distance of 20 miles in the case of PCP providers and 30 miles in the case of dental providers. If I zoom in, you will see that some of those members belongs to the specialty of dental. In the same way, we can compare our current driving time to the standard that the state of Wisconsin have, and then we can identify in this case, for example, that even though we have many providers in the city, it is because of the traffic that we are not in compliance with the driving time for these members. Also, we can calculate or identify which counties are not in compliance with the minimum number of providers. So here, for example, we can see that Sauk, Green Lake, Menominee, and Taylor don't have any provider in their territory. If I zoom in, you will see that Green Lake, which is a non-urban county, have 0 providers in the area. According to the standard, we need at least 1 provider here. So this was a quick demo on how you can use the power of ArcGIS to make those kind of calculations. We understand that this is a very computer intensive process, and that's why, in collaboration with IBM, we put together an enterprise deployment that can parallelize this process, reducing the time for your organization. Thank you very much.